Good morning, dear traders. You are watching economic news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Just a few months ago, it was hard to imagine that the US dollar would raise its gains against major currency rivals, which had been under pressure of the Greenback. Even though some Fed officials say that investors are wrong about the timing of rate hikes, this comment do not save the USD index from edging down. According to Boston Federal Reserve President Rosengren, a gradual tightening of the monetary policy is appropriate for a number of reasons. However, Fed economic forecasts fall behind the retail picture. Eric Rosengren pointed to the difference between actual economic figures and market expectations, suggesting that the current economic conditions in the United States remain uncertain. The central bank sticks to the existing monetary policy and is not going to change it in the near future. That is why traders continue to sell the USD dollar. By the end of Tuesday's trading, the USD index slid to trade slightly above the 94.00 mark. Currency strategists say the USD index is likely to gain bullish momentum if the US housing market reveals positive changes. Meanwhile, data for housing starts in the United States discouraged most traders. Official figures show that US groundbreaking in March slipped by 8.8% to 1.89 million units compared with 1.194 million units rate in February. Economists had expected a slower pace of decrease by mere 0.7%. Besides, building permits dropped in March. US Census Bureau reported that permits for construction of new homes declined by 7.7% last month to 1.86 million units. Analysts had projected building permits to rise by 2%. Nonetheless, dollar bulls remain optimistic about outlook for the greenback and watch closely the upcoming existing home sales report. The data may boost the upward movement of the US dollar. You have watched economic news prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV channel. See you later.